Alright guys, so we're in the main shop area of the Dream Napa shop, and we are converting this, if you didn't know, if you're new to the channel, to my dream shop for my detailing business. So we're degreasing and pressure washing the main shop floor area because we're gonna do like a really nice floor. As you can see, Storm here behind us. Storm's been an absolute trooper. I told him he's the employee of the month. It's not even, I said he could mess up every single day for the rest of the month and it doesn't matter. He's still the employee of the month. So he has been a trooper with these drains. And I know we're gonna have to snake these things out, but we're just trying to figure out how deep this kitty litter goes in these drains. They're all clogged up. He's saying endless. They're all extremely clogged with kitty litter. And it's just unbelievable. So it's not a good thing, not a good thing. But we are gonna get them snaked out so that we can clean everything. We've just been cleaning drains and cleaning this main shop area for the last couple of days. We're gonna continue to work, getting this floor cleaned up. Stay tuned to the video and we'll see what we can get done. So closer inspection on a lot of these drains, we took the cover off obviously. All of them are just clogged with kitty litter, man. And it's annoying as hell. Every single one of them, it just sucks. That is what Storm has been pulling out of all these things, but they have to be serviceable for us to be able to wash cars in here, so. It just sucks, man. It sucks that people kept putting kitty litter down these things. Not a good situation. But me and Hunter are up here tinting the front glass, trying to finish out this front glass. One window at a time. It's gonna take forever, but we'll get it. We need the big boy today. 5/8 by 100 foot for the shop drains. Oh, what the? Finally coming up. Oh, it's finally leaking a little bit of water. Look at that. Look at that. All right, we're about to see what that ram air suspension's all about. So for those of you who don't know, other than the truck being absolutely sacked out, it's got the air suspension on it. I think it just sensed me. Yep, look at it. It sensed me walking near the driver door, so it's already going up. Just leveling the truck out. I don't even have the keys in my pocket either. It just sensed me walk towards that driver door, automatically leveled itself out. It's not actually completely level, to be honest. We got a slight rake, I believe. It's not a big rake. I don't know, the more I look at it, it actually looks dead level, to be honest with you. I really don't know. You let me know down in the comments. But it looks dead level in person. If anything, maybe it has a slight rake to it, but we have a ton of weight in this truck right now. This is definitely over the payload capacity, so I'm happy with it. So this load right here is gonna be for my office and the lobby area for the new shop. We were gonna do LVP, but we figured there's gonna be a lot of traffic over the years. Might as well just do it right the first time. This is a higher end tile, and it's gonna be just pretty much indestructible, hopefully, in that lobby in the office. If we break the tile in the lobby in the office, we're doing something wrong. Plus with this tile, we'll be able to drive over it. You know, eventually if we want to put a car in the showroom lobby area, we'll be able to. This stuff will last forever. We can spill stuff on it. You know, we can drag stuff across it. It's not going to scratch it, things like that. We just don't want to have to worry about peeling up LVP, even though it's pretty good floor, you know, in like 5 years or something. We're just going to knock it out the right way the first time. And tile is extremely heavy, if you guys didn't know, so I'm kind of winded, but this is half of it. We're on the way to the shop now, and we're going to come back, pick the rest of the tile up, start installing this thing and transforming the lobby area of the new shop. So let's get after it. All right, so you guys have been asking what color tile or what color flooring we're going with, and we are going with a, what is this called exactly? An Ansley Amber. It is by Premium Ceramic, and each one of these is 70 pounds. So 70 pounds times however many. I think this is maybe like 35. So 70 times 35 was the payload we had in the truck. So it was quite a heavy payload, not to mention all the thin set we had and the grout. We had some grout too, but it's a lot of weight in the back of this Ram. We're going back to Home Depot now to pick up the rest of the tile. Let me know what you think about the color choice for the tile. I like it. What do y'all think? Hunter said he doesn't like it. Nick said he doesn't care.
I'll see it on the ground. I'll make my opinion.
Yeah.
You like the color?
I gotta see stuff. I can't just see it in a box and give an opinion. But
Yeah, it might look completely different when it's actually laid down. So.
Dennis, you like the color?
he's just lying because he's putting it down.
Yeah, that's right. Once we get it started, we'll see what it looks like. Down these old signs, y'all kept commenting how it's misspelled, and me and Hunter knew that too, but it's good that y'all picked up on it. Y'all pay attention, so that's good. Alignment is definitely misspelled. I don't know who put it up here, but definitely not us. We're gonna be taking off all these signs because we're gonna paint the whole front of the shop. So first we need to get these signs down. How you doing up there, Hunter?
Scared, I'm cold, I'm wet.
Yeah. It's raining and it's cold as heck out here right now, so. See what's underneath those things. We honestly don't know. I'd imagine it was just the same material that's on top, but who knows? Oh, that whole piece is coming down. Nice. Does it look good up there?
Not bad.
Not in bad shape, huh?
It's been covered up.
It's good. So here's y'all's favorite sign that's misspelled. First,
Put it back up, just make it bad.
yeah. I just keep it up there the whole time. Just never take it down, just for old time's sakes. Tradition. Well, we're gonna continue to take these signs down and start transforming the front of this shop. Front of the building looks so much better now that we have those, I guess, job services or whatever listed on the top of each bay. It looks a lot better now. Huge shout out to Hunter and Storm here. Storm's been a trooper, man. Storm has been getting a lot of things done around here. So you guys need to drop some love in the comments for Storm. He's been doing a really good job. Hunter, it's freezing out here. It's freezing for us. We're from Florida, so it's like 30 degrees right now and it's raining, so we're cold. Y'all may not be cold, but we're freezing. We're not used to this. And I have shorts on, but my legs don't really get that cold. I got a hoodie, so I'm straight. But it looks a lot better out here. Been getting a lot of stuff done. Let's show you guys the lobby real quick. We've got a lot of tile work done today. So you guys can see inside of here what we've got done. Boom, check out this tile. Looks so good. Keep in mind, the back wall is actually gonna be black. It's gonna be a really cool design from Ceramic Pro. And a lot of this trim, a lot of the menus for the thing, a lot of like the granite, a lot of the accents or finishing touch pieces like the trim and the crown molding and the roof and the ceiling and everything is gonna be either dark gray or a black. So it's not gonna be all light in here, but it does look excellent. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, what you think about the floors. I just talked to the spray foam guy. He may actually start spraying this thing a little sooner than we expected. So the spray foam, we're looking good there, and everything is on track. Everything's going very well. We've had a lot of great help. So we're getting things done for our opening reveal next month, in the middle of next month, getting things ready. The tent looks great that we put up on the front windows. The city came out and passed us with flying colors on the drain basin and the drains. We cleaned out all the kitty litter, cleaned out all the oil, got those things really clean, and they passed us there. The environmental inspector came out today to do the environmental inspection on the building, passed with flying colors. Everything looks good, he said. So everything's going good. Everything's on track for our opening grand reveal, if you will, middle of next month. So we're on track. We've got a lot to get done before then, though, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, be sure you're subscribing. Be sure you are subscribing. The outside, we have a lot to get done. The inside, a lot to get done. Just overall, a lot of things have to happen before our grand opening next month, in the middle of next month. So don't want to miss out on this build. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the floors. And we'll see you in the next video. Don't leave without hitting the like button, though, because that helps the channel grow. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.